Hello, welcome to DIYShadeSails. In today's video we will learn how to install DIY standard shade sail. Step 1. Seams and hems face up. Less mold build up and they dry out better facing up. The underside is always the presentation side, which is another good reason for having the seams and hems facing up. Step 2. Attach direct fix, deshackle, points first. Step 3. Open, lubricate then hang turnbuckles off post/fixing points. Use graphite anti-seize, Vaseline, sewing machine oil, axle grease etc. Lubricating the turnbuckles is most important as SSD is brittle and will seize if you are not careful. Ensure turnbuckle has a right turning end on the post/fixing point, not the sail. Left hand end on the sail. Step 4. Lubricate the corner fitting, D-ring, cable groove. This stops the cable from sticking as you tighten the sail. A spray can of lubricant with a nozzle is the simple way to do this. Then step 5. Fix the sail to each fixing point using the starter cord, rope, attached. Loop over post/fixing point, back to sail 2 or 3 times to achieve leverage. Step 6. Get the sail into a satisfactory position then measure each gap. Step 7. If necessary go to our hardware page to order turnbuckles and/or cable traces. Then final step. Then, attach and tighten the turnbuckles sequentially until you have a sufficient amount of tension on the sail. Look to see the fabric pulled tight and the cable pulled tight. If your fixing points are strong, you can put plenty of tension on the sail. Use your judgment. The tighter the sail, the better it will handle the storms. Point to remember. Shade cloth can tear if it catches on, e.g. a box cutter etc. All care must be taken. Contact us for professional and hassle-free shade sail installation. Call at 0419771042 or mail at info@DIYShadeSails.net.au, and for more info please visit DIYShadeSails.net.au.